Good afternoon and good evening, my dear friends. We are going to start a new video series for Veeam Backup and Replication version 10. Veeam Backup and Replication delivers availability for all the cloud, virtual and physical workload designed to meet the backup demand for organization of all sizes to reduce complexity and outperform legacy backup. Specialized for many different types of recovery, the next generation instant recovery engine allow extreme flexibility all from a single pass image level backup. By using the most instant VM recovery technology in the market, you can now initiate instant recovery for multiple virtual machines at once, making this perfect solution for migration or to bring multi-server application back online fast. Always providing support for the latest version of VMware, Veeam Backup and Replication is ready when you are to embrace new virtualization platform update. So let us start with industry leading backup recovery and replication software. And Veeam Backup and Replication delivers availability for all your cloud, virtual and physical workload through a simple by design management console. You can easily achieve fast, flexible and reliable backup recovery and application replication for all your application and the data. Now there are a lot of things we can do with the Veeam backup and replication. I have mentioned few: reliable backup, fast recovery, secure replication, cloud portability, smart storage, and data reuse. So reliably backup any workload, achieve shorter backup time, and reduce operational cost with unparalleled flexibility. There are many vendors or technologies who has been offering a backup technologies. What makes Veeam Backup different than other is Veeam Backup offer you a lots of features with including backing up your physical servers, backing up your virtualized infrastructures or a cloud, and it take a very less time to restore it back. So in any case, if your infrastructure is going through some tough time, you find something need to be restored back, it's just a click of a mouse and your entire virtual machine will be back. So lightning fast restore for the files, virtual machine, NAS and application, ensuring low recovery time and objective. Then secure replication, it use image based replication and streamline disaster recovery for increased speed, security and availability. Cloud portability, migrate to recover any workload to AWS, Amazon or Microsoft Azure with the with capability that keep your backup safe from the attack. There's a smart storage, create fast backup and replicate from snapshot using hardware from nearly any of the world leading storage providers. So that's again a good feature. Data reuse, reuse your backup data to ensure security compliance, recoverability, update with confidence, and make smarter decisions. So for the first one is reliable backup. Your business relies on the availability of its data. For example, if you are running an e-commerce website like Amazon. I'm giving example, okay, Amazon.com, and there are people who always browse this website and they are looking to shop something, but when you browse you find the web server is not working or certain items cannot be displayed or some another technical issues. Next time you will look for alternate to the Amazon.com. Similar way is a bank website and you are looking to make some sort of a transfer or money withdrawal or could be anything, transferring amount or checking the balance. If you find it is done most of the time, will you still operate your account or keep your account in the same bank? Of course not, because your business relies on the availability of its data, so people will stop trusting you. So what are the real challenge for any organization is to keep their data online, safe, and always online, available. So if any server failure, they have an alternate backups for that. They can restore them with a one click. So that's a Veeam. Business today face a multitude of challenges when it comes to IT and data management. Public cloud are rapidly expanding component of most business data center strategy, and IT professionals struggle with how to efficient, protect, migrate, and manage data between their on-premise and cloud data centers. So that's a real challenge. People has been using Microsoft Azure or AWS and so on. And if you have to perform migration from one to another, it's probably a tough task if there is no Veeam. It's time to be flexible as everything need to be protected. Cloud virtual, Cloud virtual physical, it's all part of your data center now, because if you are working in an organization, they must be using a cloud, they must be using virtual, that's again cloud or a virtual setups their own, and they are also using some sort of a physical. So they all are combination a part of a network. So rely on simplicity that only Veeam can deliver with comprehensive backup for everything that runs your business. So Veeam backup allow for cloud, for virtual, and for physical cloud. Backup in to or from the cloud, that gives you a feature. Second is a virtual, that is a VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, Nutanix AHV. It allow you to backup them and restore them. Physical is again a physical server with operating system Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Unix. Okay, so next is a fast recovery. Be a recovery hero. Save your data from the clutches of disaster. Stop downtime with lightning speed. Note down this, lightning speed as fast. Guaranteed restore at your fingertips for any recovery scenario. No matter what happened to your networks, if you have taken the backup, you can instant recover it within minutes. Veeam Backup and Replication provide data recovery options for business of all sizes and has the ability to backup and restore multiple type of data, no matter the type of application or environments. So Claude again restore in, to, or from the cloud. You can restore anything from the cloud, or you can restore anything to the cloud. Virtual, VMware, vSphere, Hyper-V, and Nutanix. Physical is Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Unix, and application. It also protect your application. That's the Active Directory. We will do this in a practical. SQL also, Exchange Server, SharePoint, Oracle, SAP HANA. So it only not give protections to your cloud, virtual, physical, but also the application. The next is availability via built-in replication. So that's the one. Ensuring that your organization mission critical data remain available is essential to deliver on service level agreements. With advanced application capability from Veeam, you can avoid data loss and dramatically improve your recovery time and point object. RTO recovery time object and recovery point object to 15 minutes for all application and data, minimizing impact on your infrastructures. If anything goes down, definitely there is an impact on the infrastructure. It depends how big your organization is and how much it costs you, but you can minimize it by using Veeam. Next is scale infinitely, stay protected in the cloud. That is cloud portability. So extend Veeam protection to any public cloud. Whether you are just starting out far along your journey to the cloud, it can be a powerful extensions for your data center and application strategy. With Veeam Backup, you can harness the power and agility of the cloud while minimizing data loss, portability, and storage cost. You can minimize everything. Remember, building contingency plan in case something fails applies to the cloud just like on-premise environments. Customer need to protect workload in the cloud. Store backup in the cloud for redundancy and flexibility. Leverage the cloud for disaster recovery. And Veeam support a variety of capability across the list of cloud services. You can use Amazon AWS, you can use Microsoft Azure or IBM Cloud. Next is a fast VMware vSphere backup with low RPO and it's a smart storage and then data reuse. Now achieve high availability through a combination of Veeam backup and replication and the world's leading storage provider. With Veeam backup, you can create true backup and replication from snapshot often you would like, even during business hour with little or no impact on your production environment. If this is your server and the particular virtual machines, you just take snapshot of every hours or every 6 hours. It won't impact the productions, it there might be a little traffic for uh, taking it to the storage, little CPU utilization is there, but at least it can keep your data safe and secure. The next is data reuse. Unleash your backup data and do more than ever. A goldmine of valuable data is wrapped in your backup and replicas. These copy of your production data typically sit idle, collecting dust and waiting to be used in recovery scenario. Did you know that you can use this copy data for use cases that are well beyond traditional backup and recovery? With Beam Data Labs, part of Beam Backup and Replication, you can. So adding to the long-standing ability to verify and recoverability of backup and replication, Veeam Data Labs unlock multiple cases for copy data that goes beyond data protection and drives cost and operational efficiency while improving business agility. This include ability to achieve faster applications deployment, mitigation risk by testing new upgrade and patches before rolling them out, DevOps, dev test, and even security and compliance verifications.